guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is leighonstyle. So for today's video, I want to share with you a shoe brand. So this is all about shoes. I love shoes. I'm not really into sneakers. I do have them, but I don't really wear them often. I love loafers instead of sneakers. Not unless I have to wear sneakers. It depends where I'm going. That's the only time I will wear it. But you know, yung iba kasi sanay sila ng naka-sneakers, no? Ako hindi. I more on loafers or flats and more on pumps. Ganon. So, may ka-artyhan, may ka-girlyhan. Ganon. Okay. So, I don't know if you're familiar with Fitville. So, Fitville, they specialize on sneakers. They claim it's very, very comfortable. So I will try it and I will film it so I can show it to you in this video. So anyway, I will show you what they sent me. So like I've said, they sent me 3 pairs of sneakers. So this is the box. It's very big. I got 3 pairs. It's all different colors and different style. So this is how it looked like. So of course, don't judge my feet. I have a very big size. My size is 9.5, sometimes 10 when it comes to pump and flats. 10.5. Naglalaro sa ganong size. So anyway, this is the shoes. It's really cute. I like the color. So I never had this color purple. So ayan siya. Boom. Ganda, diba? So, let me tell you something about their shoes and why will you choose Fitville. So, Fitville shoes are of ergonomic designs that give you amazing footwear experience. Springly cushioning minimizes impacts and maximizes stability. You feel no pain when you move in. Like we all know, it's hard to find a comfortable shoes, especially when it comes to sneakers. Kasi even though it's sneakers, sometimes hindi pa rin siya komportable. So, it's very hard to find sneakers that you will really feel comfortable without pain. Okay, so it has anatomical arch. Support makes your ankle more stable, keeps your feet in the proper position and shape to be fully functional. The wide toe box, ito. Kaya pala medyo malapad siya, no? Kasi yun ang una ko napansin, medyo malapad. Ako mahilig ako sa mga patulis. Yung mga, yung mga parang pansandata, ganun, ganyan. The wide toe box allows your feet to move comfortably. So, yun pala yun. Para, kumbaga, may space yung iyong paa. Hindi siya, yung parang nasasakal yung paa. Ganon. So, we'll see how comfortable it is when we try it on. Or, I try it on. Hindi pala kayo kasali. Ako lang pala magta-try. So, I forgot to tell you how much is this when you purchase this online. So, this retail for $99.95. This is the purple. They have pink and they have jet black. So, ako, I'm not into black shoes. So, nagba-black shoes lang ako sa work. But, I'm more on beige. Gusto ko yung mga may kulay, ganyan. Na it gets along with your outfit. I don't really go black. It's very seldom that I wear black. Okay? Well, anyway, let's go to the other one. Dami satsat. This is the next one. So, what I have here. Oh, this is like very cute too. Ta-da! I like this kind because it's easy to wear. Ayan o. Kasi velcro siya. Ayan. So, wala siyang sintas. It's very easy. So, this one retail for $79 US. Sinabi talagang US dollars. Ayan, it comes with white and pink. Ito yon. Tapos, meron din siyang rose pink. Ayan. So, this is the Fitville Woman Rebound Core V2. I don't know what's V stand for. So this is patented proper core sole offers smooth movements with strong support. The roomy toe box offers space for your toes to spread naturally. Velcro strap closure make it stylish and easy to get into. Yan, yun nga yung sinabi ko. It's very easy to wear. Ayan. So, it's also 9.5. So, very cute. Very cute ang kanyang. Actually, pinakita ko to sa daughter ko. She likes this one. I think it will fit on her too. I might give it to her. Ayan. The last one. Actually, ito yung gusto ko. Itong last. Ang ganda ng kulay. So, this one is, tchanan! Ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda ng kulay nito. So, this is also a Fitville Woman Rebound Core Shoes. And this retail, same with the first one, which is $99.95. Ayan, tama. So, this is the rose red. It comes with 3 different colors. Rose red, they have green, gray, and light blue. Ayan. Also, shock absorbing pad, anti-pronation heel ring, wide toe box, and high instep. Yung ganito. Ayan. Removable insole and arch support. So, natatanggal siya. So, pwede nyo laban, di ba? Ayan, natatanggal siya. Ayan, oh. It's very easy. Ayan. So, you can wash this one. But if you wear socks all the time, I think it will get dirty when you don't wear socks. But if you're wearing socks most of the time, you don't need to wash it every now and then. And this is really good. If you wash this one, you can remove this one. Ayan. I will put the link on my description box so you can do shopping on their website. So before I end this video, let me show you a short clip while I'm trying this shoes and tell you what exactly my thoughts about it. All right? So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching me, although I'm only showing my feet, but at least you have an idea how I felt when I wore these shoes. It's very, very comfortable. I can't explain how comfortable I was, but I am comfortable. Kasi madali akong mairita sa pagdating sa sapatos. Once I don't feel comfortable, I don't wear it at all. Even though it's new, hindi ko na siya isusuot talaga once na hindi siya komportable. So, ganun lang. Medyo maaksaya lang ako sa shoes. Anyway, so, you will never know until you try it on. So, I will put their link on my description box so you can choose what shoes do you want that fits in your style. Ayan. So, thank you so much, Fitville. I really appreciate these 3 pairs that you sent me. Thank you so much. I cannot say good enough about your products. It's really good. So thank you. So there you have it, guys. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do kindly hit the notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you in my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye.